Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the winter Fabfitfun box and I cannot wait to show you what I got. The winter season is one of my most favorite seasons and one of my most favorite seasons for Fabfitfun because I feel like I can purchase items that are for myself but also gifted to others. So there's so many options, there's so many choices. So you end up getting these high quality items for a fraction of the price. So I love that because, you know, it can get super expensive during the holidays. This video is in collaboration with Jessica Myro. She is our host. We are doing this winter collaboration. It's a multi-niche collaboration, but definitely check out our videos in the playlist down below. We have all sorts of fun winter inspirations for you guys, so check that out in the description box below. And as always, don't forget to check out our host Jessica Myro. She has an amazing channel and a very good friend of mine here on YouTube. So yes, definitely check her video out. Here is, oh my gosh, it's kind of heavy, the Fabfitfun winter box, and this one says you made the nice list this year. So very simple box, but I was pleasantly surprised to see the design of this box inside. So let's check her out. Here it is, guys. I love this wreath design for the Fabfitfun box, and without, you know, giving you guys a super sneak peek, I love the green and reds, more traditional colors for Christmas. And as you can see, I'm all decked out for the winter season, the Christmas holiday season. It's one of my most favorite seasons. And I also have my nice earrings, Christmas tree earrings from Shein. So I hope you guys like that. Let's go ahead and see what's in my box. Oh, I forgot. I should show you guys the flaps. It's hard to show it, but this one says holidays and this other side says, hold on. This other side says happy. This box is way too big. So customization one, it's always hard to find one item for customization one, but I tried to be cutthroat with my spending this year. And so I just picked what I really need, what I feel is going to be useful. And I kind of picked something that I know is not going to run out, like makeup or skincare. Like I wanted something that I can remember Fabfitfun by. This may or may not be the last Fabfitfun box that I'll be unboxing here on my channel. It's, you know, just to change it up. Sometimes we need to move on and change up our channels and just kind of keep it interesting, right? Yeah, this is lifestyle, everything and anything you could think of. And that is what I specifically chose for this season. It's all about lifestyle products. So first item is this very nice canvas tote by Cleo Bella. And you know, travel season is coming. It's just a perfect little tote bag that I can carry with me and just throw everything like makeup, skincare, toiletry bag, and the best part is it has a zipper. So my family is going to be traveling a lot and we need these kind of very convenient bags, lightweight but super durable. I feel like the straps are like leather, or maybe it's faux leather, but very strong, very durable. And then the canvas is just super thick. It's a zip bag, which I always appreciate. And oh, what's in here? It says save up to 80% off Cleo Bella items. There you go. There are no pockets in this bag, but that's okay. This is like a catch-all bag, right? Love that. And the brand name is right there. That is customization one. Customization two was another tough one, but I tried to stick to only one thing. Oh, and it's kind of heavy, but so worth it. This is the mini round ceramic cocotte set. Cocotte? Not sure how to pronounce that. If you guys know how. This is by Brock Your Body. Love the packaging. They're like ceramic little cookware tins. I think this is perfect for making like those chicken pot pies, more like individual servings, right? So there it is. Look at this. It's so cute. It has a little cover. You can throw this in the oven. Super well made. I love how this looks. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. You get 2 in a set, and the other one is a white one. So you get a green one and a white one. They're both equally pretty. Oh my goodness. I can't decide which one I like more. But there's the brand underneath, and then there's the cover. Super nice. And you can make your own little soup, but it is ceramic and it has an 18.6 ounce capacity. So it's a pretty big size, but really good quality. I love it. I love the colors. The third customization, okay, we love honey in this house. We consume it like it's water, okay? But especially during the cold season, honey is perfect with tea and everything. So this is a honey pot and dipper. It's a little honey pot. And there it is. You put your honey in this one, and then you have the little dipper here. So you just get it and then just drip it into your coffee or tea, and that's it. I don't know about you guys, but I do use honey for my coffee. But this is such luxurious and super neat on my kitchen counter. So it's just another way of dispensing honey. So I really, really love this, especially with this little, like, what do you call this? Like a honeycomb little dispenser or dip. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use it. And it says honey. Customization for, I had 2 items. One is for the customization, and then I added an add-on. I gotta say, I had a hard time choosing from customization for. I just wasn't sure about what I wanted. Like, there wasn't anything there that I really, really wanted to have. So I picked this one, which I think is very practical. It's a safety alarm. So if, you know, you're out and about and you have this, like, in this picture, it's like hanging right on her pants. So how it works is it's going to sound the alarm when it gets pulled, when this part of the body gets separated from the top. So it makes a super, super duper loud sound that can reach up to 1,000 feet away. So that is a very large radius, and it's just an easy pull tab. Hopefully it's as easy to shut the sound off, because I bet this is super strong. Should we try it? I'm afraid to try it because I don't know how to turn it off yet. Customization 5, guys. I got skincare. I couldn't resist, of course. Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration, Skin Protection, Colloidal Oatmeal. Okay, anything with colloidal oatmeal, it is great for sensitive skin. And actually, this line right here from Fabfitfun is for sensitive skin. So if you see this blue and white line or packaging from Fabfitfun, not Fabfitfun, First Aid Beauty, this is very good for sensitive skin. So I'm thinking this is a moisturizer for the skin. It's a skin protectant with colloidal oatmeal. It's great for people with eczema or just extreme distressed dry skin. See how thick this is right there? I'm going to try it right now because my hands feel dry. It says it has a light vanilla scent, but I can't smell anything at all. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like a burst of hydration. I love that. First Aid Beauty is one of my most favorite brands in skincare, and now they have recently been advertising a lot of body products. So anything that's for skin concerns for your body, not just your face, they are just killing it in that area. And so this is the first time actually that I'm trying their body lotions. It feels great. Oh my gosh. We're gonna see how well it's gonna keep my hands hydrated. So that is customization 5. Customization 6 was another hard one for me. I'm kind of slightly disappointed with the choices, but it's okay. Like, I'm still happy with it because I still got something that I need. I got socks. So as you can tell, it's not as exciting, right? I got socks, and I don't know. This is a Sweaty Betty athletic socks. And I didn't even know that it said Sweaty Betty. And I'm like, I don't know how I feel about wanting to be called Sweaty Betty, right? They're varsity slogan socks. So here it is. It's perfect for boots and booties. But it is by Cleo. Oh no, this is by Sweaty Betty London. I think that's the brand. So I love the gray color. It goes with everything, especially for the chilly weather. It's perfect to have. So that is everything in my FabFitFun box. I do have add-ons. Add-ons are products that you choose outside of the customization that are heavily discounted. And yeah, they're still a very good deal. So first item is this one. I got a total package and I get this almost every season. This is a Spawn Gel bundle. Here it is. And this is, oh, I was like, what is this? It smells nasty, but it's pistachio flavor. If this was food, I would really, really eat this up. But pistachio probably is not my most favorite one as far as scents. But this one is, yeah, it's another buffer, body buffer. My favorite lotion or hand cream. This one, guys, great for hydration. It keeps my hands smooth for long periods of time. Then I have two more boxes, Spawn Gel boxes. This is the Peony Blush. You get 14 uses, by the way, guys. I like to gift them to my coworkers, to my friends and family. Oh my gosh, this peony one I want to keep. It smells amazing. This is another body infused buffer. This is in the scent Naked Lady Belladonna. What's a naked lady scent? No, okay, so that's a naked lady scent. But it smells really good, actually. Like it's like fresh out of the shower, that kind of thing. I got this one because this is like a super deep, plummy nails. Like I kind of want to use this for Thanksgiving or for the winter season. But I also got a very similar color. And this is a duo, a top coat and a nail polish duo, which, yeah, this is the other add-on. This one is by Glamnetic. They are press-on nails. I think the brand is Static Nails, but they are a liquid glass lacquer. But if you compare, they're very similar. Very similar. This would just be a lighter shade of this one. So this might be my winter color. You know, when it gets busy and stuff and you don't have time to color your nails, I might just use this one. This kind of shade is so in right now. Like plummy browns, like deep plum, deep brown shades are perfect for this season. That's like the color, the go-to color of the season. The last item in my box is these Muck Luxe women's crew socks. And this one is for like thicker socks for the winter, like in your winter booties. I was just so into socks this season. I just needed to because I feel like I only have one pair of good winter socks. And so now I'm all stocked up. So super excited for this. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, my FabFitFun unboxing. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item is from this box. Don't forget to check out our playlist, our winter playlist in the description box below, as well as our host, Jessica Myros. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.